Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to unlock your Nintendo Switch so that you could use it again. Maybe mom and dad locked you out, maybe it fell off the trunk, maybe not trunk but truck. Maybe you got it on Craigslist and the guy sold it to you and just didn't share the secret code. Well, in this video we're going to show you how to unlock it, and it'll only cost you 50 cents. So this is linked down in the description below where I'll be taking your donations. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually 50 cents. You got to go to the Nintendo website and it will go to any default email address too. So you use a different email address, right? So let's say this device is tied to another email address. The code will go to your email address. Just have your device handy on standby and you'll be able to unlock the Nintendo Switch and do whatever it is you need to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. And like I said, so that you can get your game on. So here's your Nintendo Switch right here. And we're parental controls are on, as you can see. And now I'm going to type in my passcode right here. So let's see. I'm going to type in a code. One. Okay. So parental controls are off. See? I'm able to access it. Now, I'm going to turn parental controls on. Parental controls are re-enabled. Now I go here. I need to type in a passcode. So I'm going to type in. Nope. And after a few times, you're going to get locked out. Okay? I'm locked out. Am I locked out? Yep. You got to wait 30 minutes. See that? They're like, damn, I don't have 30 minutes. What's the passcode? I knew it was something. I knew it was like 7841, 7853, or whatever it was. So anyway, here's what you're going to do. You're going to press this right here. Okay. And then scroll down. You're like, oh, wow, I don't know what that is, but there's like a secret sauce at the bottom. See that? And now you have your inquiry number and the console number. We already have a key that's generated. This actually cost us $1.50 to make this video. Anyway, the Google AdSense will take care of that, so don't worry about it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. There's a link in the description down below to the website, and then you'll go here. We're going to press enter. You're going to select, we're going to select English or wherever you are in the world. As you can see, you will select I agree. You're going to enter the serial number, which I believe that's it right there. It'll auto-populate whatever numbers you have in there, but this is it right here. So now I have to just type it correctly. As you can see, this is not my keyboard. All right, so we're going to make sure your keyboard is right side up and you're using a keyboard and not a guitar. All right, knowing that, moving forward, you're going to type in your serial number, which is right here. Okay, you got to check. Even though, don't trust the process, even though it says check, you know, sometimes you can transpose numbers like I do, and then you find out you lost your money, you lost 50 cents. All right, so I'm just going to check the numbers. XKW100536465646. Okay, so now we're going to use these numbers. All right, and then it should auto-populate your address depending which browser you use. If not, you have to type it. Sometimes it auto-populates the zip code. It'll put the double. I don't think anybody knows the last few digits of their zip code. All right, so now by default, it's going to go to the email address of the owner or the email address to the guy that found it from the truck and is selling it in the street, and he got an amazing deal. So it's only going to cost you 50 cents. Anyway, so without knowing that, moving forward, in this case, it'll auto-populate, hopefully, auto-populate my, there we go, right there. And then, of course, remember, you got to be fast, because sometimes you don't want the other party to know, or maybe they tried to sucker you into like buying something and taking your money and pulling a fast one. So it's not going to auto-populate the other email address. So what we'll do is we'll just go copy it, okay? And then paste it in, confirm everything. Because remember, it's going to go to that address, but you're going to see on this screen, you're going to enter it, And at checkout, you're going to see the screen there. You're going to see the new master key. So don't worry about the email address. Just worry about putting the numbers in fast enough to unlock the screen. Okay? And then changing the default settings so that your email address is tied to the account. So you got to, after the master key, unlock it. And then after the master key, change the code. After you change the code, switch the device to your new email address. Okay, so we'll click I agree, and then you go here, choose a card, whatever card you have on file, just not my card, and then you got to put in your CV number. Okay, the CV number is, you got that right? Anyway, knowing that, moving forward, check your expiration date, and on count 3, 2, 1, complete. There's the key. I mean, well, master key. Okay, and I just got charged 50 cents on my card. Make sure you have your enter master key. So now we're going to type that in. 85902928. Haha, we did it! Bingo! Now you've got your own new Nintendo Switch that you bought for whatever you paid for it. Now it's going to ask you for a new pin. Now this part I can't show you because I'm going to enter in a new pin that you won't know. And I'm going to press OK, and then I'll show you the last step. Setup complete, and that's it. Now you can get to the next level on your side quests with whatever games you're playing. Where is that? Oh, whether it be Zelda or... Interesting. Is that it? Oh yeah, that is it. I was like, where's Zelda? Breath of the Wild should be on there. And do whatever it is you want to do. Maybe you want to sell it because there's supposed to be a new Nintendo Switch coming out for Christmas. It's supposed to be 3D based, or maybe sure it's going to launch this year or next year. But whatever rocks your boat. And now, hopefully you can get some sleep. Anyway, I hope this video helps you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.